agency owner or a small and medium business owner, you know that visual assets and videos are the lifeblood of any online and offline business. But this can quickly turn into a headache for you. You know why? Because using copyrighted visuals and characters will get your videos penalized. It's really tough to find good copyright-free visual asset. Creating original 3D character and videos require a lot of skill and talent. Creative subscription services cost hundreds of dollars every month. Freelancers on Fiverr and Upwork demand a hefty amount for a single 3D character or even a video. I have spent thousands of dollars every month for a good high-quality 3D illustration. The list goes on and on. Now, I'm pretty sure you're facing at least one of these problems. But after working for 1 year straight, we created a solution. And it has changed the game of every video creator out there. Imagine if you're being able to generate your own 3D characters, make unlimited stunning videos without any skills, sell unlimited 3D characters and videos to your customers and charge any amount, access thousands of free-made videos along with advanced video editor. Sounds unbelievable? Introducing Tunes Hub, world's first AI-based 3D cartoon character generator platform to create unlimited stunning video in any niche in just 30 seconds. Plus, thousands of pre-made video templates with unique inbuilt video editor. With Tunes Hub, you are just 3 simple steps away from starting your own 3D character assets and video agency. Step 1. Log in and select any character category. Step 2. AI will automatically generate unique 3D characters based on your selected category. Step 3. Play or download in one click. Create unlimited videos and use it for yourself or sell to your clients and keep the profits. With Tunes Hub, you will get fully AI cloud-based system, generate and customize unlimited 3D characters for your project, millions of pre-made 3D cartoons character with inbuilt video editor, thousands of Ultra HD video templates ready to use, Ultra HD quality intro and outro video templates ready to use, AI-based image to cartoon converter, step-by-step training, complete designing suite, 2 million plus HD stock images, 1 million plus Ultra HD stock videos, 20K plus vectors, preview features, multiple formats, high-quality downloads, unlimited download with no fee, social sharing feature, inbuilt image editor, much more. And we're not alone. Over 150 agency owner, marketers, and more than 2,000 customers have started making money with Tunes Hub. Till now, Tunes Hub has created over 104,739 plus royal-free 3D characters. It's huge. And now, it's your turn to use it for your business to skyrocket your conversion and profit at a low one-time cost during the special 4-day launch deal. Your purchase is fully covered by 30 days money-back guarantee. Try it for 30 days. If you are still not convinced, get your money back. Also, it comes with a commercial license, which makes it an incredibly great deal. Soon it will be recurring, so hurry up and pay one time or monthly later. Act fast and click the link below. See you inside.